Carrot cake trials part 1. Baker's mess up 2. Time to make some carrot cake. So I put my sugar in here. We got 1.5 cups of brown sugar, 1.5 cup of white sugar. We have some pecans, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We have 1 cup of oil. You can use whatever oil you have on hand. This is my spice mixture for my carrot cake, and it is a combination of cinnamon, ginger, clove, nutmeg, the whole 9 blended up carrots. Now I know most of the time carrot cake has it actually has shredded carrots in it, but my carrot cake doesn't. It has pureed carrots. And I've also got some imitation vanilla because I ran out of my good vanilla, but it's gonna work just the same. So we're getting ready to put all this together. So you're gonna combine the eggs, the sugar, the vanilla all in a bowl, and then you're gonna mix it together. When it's done, it should look like this, completely blended together with no lumps. Now, instead of adding the carrots later, we're gonna add our carrot puree to this. So 1 bag of baby carrots will get you about 1.5 cups of puree. So we're just gonna dump that all in there. Gonna mix. All right, so this has the spice mixture and everything we need. So the batter's all finished. We blended it up. It's ready to go. What you're gonna do is pour it into a lined cookie sheet so it can bake. And there you have it. Carrot cake. Now, what's the problem? Looks like it's good. Looks like you made great, beautiful cream cheese icing. I did. It's delicious. The problem is I put the flour mixture on top of the liquid instead of pouring the liquid into the flour. Now, why is that a problem? It's a problem because the flour caked around the pecans, which caused it to create like this barrier of flour and pecans. So that is showing up in my cake. I don't like that. It's a grave error that needs to be corrected. So we'll do better. Part 2 is coming.